Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, white color. Kids eye coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. Kids again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. Kids now draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F, and use blue color. G. G for goat, G for grapes. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now to J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use yellow color. K. K for kite, K for king. It's again use yellow color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O, and use black color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. It's neither R. R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R, and use green color. S. S for sun, S for snake. It's again use green color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids again use green color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for watch, W for wallet. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, and use white color. Kids again use white color and draw. Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use blue color. Blue color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5. Kids now to 6. The numbers of 6. And use black color. Black color. Seven. S E V E and 7. 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. 10. T E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.